Yo, this is Ken with God by Trading, and today what we're going to talk about is Donald Trump and how he had an effect on the stock market today or whatnot, right? We're going to talk about DJT. Also, we're going to talk about how did Trump affect the crypto market as well. I want you guys to stay tuned. I want you to click the like, subscribe button as well if you ain't already subscribed or whatnot as we dive into how did Donald Trump affect the stock market today for the crypto and for his stock DJT. Alright, so today or whatever, what we're going to talk about is Donald Trump and how he had an effect on the stock market. You know, Saturday, unfortunately, he had an attempt on his life or whatnot, right? Somebody tried to kill him, basically, or whatnot, right? And I'm going to show you guys how did that have an effect on the stock market and his stock alone, DJT. And is it a fundamental company or whatnot, right? We finna dive deep into that. So, one thing I want to say or whatnot is that violence in the political realm is really not needed. In no shape, form, fashion. It's not allowed. It's not cute. I see a lot of statuses, people saying, oh, he should have been killed or whatnot, this, that, third, whatever. There's no room for that in America or whatnot, right? We are good people. Now, look, what we finna do, we finna dive into, like, the effects they had on the stock market today, right? We'll talk about some little information, right? Let's log in right here. Let's dive into it. DJT, Trump Media and Technology, right? This is what we're going to talk about, right? Talk about this. Today, let me make myself a little bit smaller. See, kind of make myself a little bit smaller with that. Alright, so, on the 5-minute chart, we're going to look at the day chart or whatnot, right? Today, the stock price went down. It started off at, it opened up at $46. $46. That's what it opened up at. It got as high as 46.27, but low is 38, and it closed at 40, right? So what I want you guys to look at or whatnot, right? Everybody in the pre-market was super high, right? No, it closed at 36. Right now it's like 36 52 right now in the post market right now. Alright, so like what I really wanted to get you guys to understand or whatever, right? When Trump got an attempt on his life or whatnot, his stock instantly went up, right? Because DJT fundamentally is a hype stock. It only moves on momentum of Trump and things like that, right? And Trump hopefully getting winning the presidential election. So fundamentally, Trump is operating in a loss, right? And let me show you guys or whatnot, right? We use Moomoo, and this is how I go about getting my analysis on Moomoo, right? As you can see, this is the company right here. You click the company tab on your phone on Moomoo, right? And the reason why I choose Moomoo, whatever, because they have so much data to help you be a profitable trader, right? And understand whether these companies are long-term hold or short-term holds. When you look at the PE ratio right here, right? This is the PE ratio. It is operating at a loss, as you can see. It says loss making, right? And these are the things that I want to break down to you, right? To kind of break down like the fundamentals of this. And then also you click the little tab for the PB ratio. That's PS, point of sale ratio. And the PB ratio. If you click this tab right here. Alright, so I want you guys to get out your notebook or whatever so y'all can take some notes real quick or whatever, right? The PB ratio means price to book, right? So to basically like break this down, imagine if you had a book that you bought for $1, right? But everyone in your hood is willing to pay $28 for it. That's just like DJT, right? Trump Technologies, right? Which is like a social media app. People are willing to even though you bought it for $1 and people are willing to pay $28 for it, that's just like the PB ratio of Trump Technologies, right? I wish I could show you guys, but I can't show it to you because I haven't uploaded it on here. Let me see. Can I get a little more? News, option market strategies. I'm gonna tap into trying to get y'all the PB ratio, but the PB ratio is 36.66. Like, so I want people to think of it like a toy or whatever, right? The toy is worth more than it's originally cost, right? So like, what's driving this thing is up or whatever, right? The market says that it's like a 7.26, right? That's the industry that it's in. It's at a 7.26. Right now, it's valued at 36.66 or whatever, right? What they're saying for the industry that it costs too much. People, it is worth way more than people are buying it for or whatever, right? Let's talk about the profit and losses in DJT or whatever, right? I want you to think of DJT as like a lemonade stand, right? And you spend $10 on purchasing lemons and sugar, whatever, right? But then like you only make $1 for selling lemonade. What's going on with Donald Trump with Trump industry is more so what's going on with it is they're operating in a loss. And let me show y'all that in the like I seen in the PE ratio, right? It's operating in a loss or whatever, right? So what it's saying is that it is not profiting. It's not profiting. The reason why it's not profiting due to the fact that they're not having any advertisement on their platform, and they're not doing things to like really make the company build more revenue. It's not using all its resources or whatnot, right? And it's not really doing good on the return of equity or return of assets or whatever, right? So this is kind of explain what ROE is, which means return of equity, and ROA, which is like return on assets. I want you guys to imagine like planting a seed in the garden, and then like as you plant the seeds, you waiting on a harvest and it don't grow. That's what I want you guys to imagine when you think of ROE or ROA or whatnot, right? The thing is that you're not receiving any return on your hard work. And that's basically like the same thing that's going on with DJT. It's really operating in the negative. It's not getting any good returns on its own work that it's putting out. It's really just spending out a lot of money and not really bringing anything back. So this is why we consider this a trade, right? And the thing where I get my information from is Moomoo. Like I said, like you can click company at the top right here on the app, and then you can dive into the research yourself as well, right? So look, so today it was super hyped up, right? It was super, super, super hyped up today. As you guys can see, it was super hyped up today. Super, super, super hyped up. Which is crazy. I want you guys to see that, which is crazy. I want you guys to see to where it went to where it is now, right? It got as high as $54. Y'all can see this long wick right here, $54.90, and it just kept going down and down and down and down and down because people sold and took profits, right? So this is why we consider it a meme stop or whatnot, right? Because it got all this hype around it or whatnot, right? In the pre-market. In the pre-market, it got as high as $54.90 because this is the pre-market. It's shaded like a little gray or whatnot. But by the time it opened, people were taking profits. By the time it opened, it was at 46,200, and people started taking profits, right? So a lot of people got fooled by the hype and burned themselves on a lot of money due to the fact that people started trying to run in quickly. Everybody wanted to be part of the hype. Everybody wanted to be part of the next big thing, right? So like what ended up happening was like it ran up so quick and this, that, and the third. When things run quickly, people start taking profits. Institutions start taking profits, right? Now let me show you guys how Donald Trump had an effect on the stock market, right? Let me show y'all this information right here. Get y'all going. Show y'all some information right here. Get on here, we'll type in YouTube. Get on YouTube right here. Trump says about crypto. Let me show y'all what Trump says about crypto. Right? Let's see if we can find something. Get his exact words. I want you guys to see this.
If you're a business owner, then animated explainer videos are the best way to capture attention, get more followers, and drive.
I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders. I say this with your vote.
Donald Trump just delivered.
So look, so I want you guys to see that, right? In one of his rallies, Donald Trump supports crypto. For all my crypto people, whatever, right? So how did this have an effect? Whatever, right? Let's see Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin. No, not that Bitcoin. Let's see. As you guys can see, it got as high as 65,000, right? As you guys can see, which is an all new high for crypto. That's how high it got, right? Now let me show you guys how did it affect the Bitcoin miners, right? So I want you guys to see this and how Trump helped affect the Bitcoin miners. Let's see. So you got Ride, right? We know that. You got Ride. You got Crypto.com and things like that. So let's see how Ride do today. As y'all can see, Ride went up. Y'all see that? I want you guys to see that, right? Since Trump made his announcement, it's been on a steady incline, right? Because people are banking that Trump is going to be president, right? So he's hyping it up. He's hyping up crypto, as you guys can see, right? I want you guys to see that. Let's see what Mara did, right? Let's see what Mara. As y'all can see, y'all see the steady incline? I want you guys to see the steady incline, right? I want you guys to see that. So y'all can see this with me or whatever, right? Since he been speaking on crypto, since he been speaking on certain things, and since like the tip on his life, he been hyping all these things up in the stock market, right? Let's see Crypto.com. Let's see how they go. Let's see. We get on here, get the ticket soon. similar ticker symbol. CRCW. Let's go back some. Let me go back to this right here. Let's get back on here. I want you guys to do y'all research so everybody can see this too, right? No, Coinbase. I'm sorry. Coinbase. I'm tripping, y'all. Look, we should have been looking at Coinbase. Let me go back on here. Let me exit out right here. It's Coinbase. This had a little brain fart. Coinbase, you know. Coinbase, right? I want you guys to see that. Y'all see how it's steady on the incline? Y'all see this? Y'all see this or whatever, right? So you got to understand that these things are hype things or whatnot, right? So let me show you guys how you're going to make money and how we're going to make money starting tomorrow. Let's talk about it. Let me eliminate all this. What we're going to do, we're going to look at the 4-hour chart, right? We ain't going to look at the 5-minute chart. We're going to look at the 4-hour chart, right? Because if we're trading for the days to come, whatever, right? I look at the 4-hour chart so I can know how things going to be for in the future. Back a little bit. You got to see this. I look at the 4-hour chart or whatever, right? If I'm trying to be in week-long trades. So DJT, I want you guys to see this or whatever, right? I want you guys to see this. It looks like it's on the way down. What I'm expecting it to do, I'm expecting it to have a little I'll put a call option right at the high of 48.11. Yeah, 48.110. But I have a put option going as low. If it goes below 35.55, I'm expecting to put in some put options. And I'm going to ride it all the way down to 31.25. That's what I do, right? We're going to get into the SPY. Everybody love the SPY, right? Everybody know that's the money maker. Let's get into the SPY on 4-hour chart or whatever, right? All right, so this is what I'm looking at for the SPY. If the SPY get a buzz, I buy in. If SPY get a buzz, I put in a call option. If SPY get a buzz, 564.837. But if it drops, I'll put in a put option if it get below 559.63. And I start taking profits around. Let me see why I start taking profits around. I start taking profits around. What I said that was 559. I start taking profits around 557.65 or 556.480. If it breaks down below that, then we on the long ride down. We on the long ride. Yeah, we on the long ride down to 542. So look, so this is how I'm playing the SPY, right? If it breaks above 564.83.7, You're not putting in call options, right? But if it breaks below 559.63, we're going for puts. I want you guys to see that. So that's how I'm putting my thing in 559.63. If we go below that, I'll put in puts. All right. So I want you guys to see that this the technical analysis and this how I play for tomorrow, right here. All right. Let me see. Everybody be asking about Tesla. How we playing Tesla? We get on Tesla technical analysis. As you can see, it's starting to push up. As you can see, we got a green candle at the end of the day. Alright, so if it go above, for me, if it go, I'll be putting in call option if it go below above 265.600. But if it goes below 251.73, I'll be putting in put option. But I'm expecting it to fill in this gap if it go below that. I'm expecting it to fill the gap, and I believe that it may go to 249. Try to fill in that gap. 249, 251. No, 249.500 to fill in this gap right here. Cause we see this gap. So go below. So if it go below 251, I'm expecting it to go down at least $2 to fill in this gap before we get a new support. That's what I'm expecting right here. All right, so let me see. Everybody asking about Tesla. What is it? Everybody asking the video. People love the video. Let's get on the video. Let's see. Get on the video doing on a 4-hour chart. Man, people love the video. I want to show. You don't want to show no love for y'all. Let's see. You don't want to show no love, but like it's flat for whatever reason. I'm gonna 5-minute chart. Then I get on the 5-minute chart. We'll back it back. Okay, let me get on 4-hour chart. Ooh. They don't want to show no love down here. Let's see. We can get all the candles we want up top, but it don't want to show no love right there. That's crazy. That is crazy. I'll try to get back with y'all on the video. Let me see 4-hour chart. Then let's see. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So you right here. How would I play this? Okay, look, if it get below, right now it's red or whatnot, right? If it get below 127, 180, I'll buy in some put options right here. But on my call options, the video be moving super fast. If it get above 130.69, that's when I'll buy in call options right there. So yeah, so that's how I'm trading it. Yeah, this is how I'm trading it. So it was nice speaking to you. Look, if you're trying to get in Moomoo, you're trying to get in Discord class or whatever, you want to learn how to trade options or whatnot, get in the Discord or whatnot, right? Matter of fact, let me show y'all. We made some money in Discord today. Get to the group chat. We made money in Discord today. Let's talk about it. Made $1,800 today. I want you guys to see this, right? I gave you step-by-step play on how we was gonna play this, right? I told everybody to pay attention to DJT this morning or whatnot, cause the pre-market was $45. Y'all can see at that time. Tell everybody to pay attention to that. We got into a SPY call option. Let me show y'all. We got into this or whatever, right? I told everybody to watch out, right? This is my specific instructions. I said waiting on the next candle to go above 563 to 80. Then I'm going with a call option. I said everyone with a stop loss. Whatever, right? It went above it. I said see how the breakout strategy worked, right? We got a confirmation candle, which was this candle right here. And what we waited on was for the next candle to go above the 280. Once it went above the 280, which was like at the last minute, it blew up. It is shot up, which gave me this long candle, and that's how I was able to make $1,800 today on Moomoo, as y'all can see. Let me show y'all. Y'all see it say July. It say July 15th right here, 10:51. As y'all can see. And I said, everyone, y'all see how easy the trade is still running up? And it just kept running up, as y'all can see. It just kept running up to 564. Y'all see that? It just kept running up. So, I want you guys to see, man. Look, it don't take much or whatnot. If you guys want to get into option trading, the link shall be in the bio. Also, if you guys just want to be a part of the community, the link is in the bio as well. Be sure to join in Moomoo. The link is in the bio. You put $100, right? You put $100 in, you'll receive 5 free stocks of the Magnificent Seven. So you guys, like, y'all tune into that or whatnot, right? The link should be in the bio. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.